Multiply 1/7 times 3 and 1/3. Whenever I multiply a regular old fraction to a mixed number, the first thing I want to do is turn that mixed number into an improper fraction. How do I do that? Take the 3 out in front and the denominator of 3 and multiply them together. 3 times 3 is 9. Take that 9 and add it to the numerator of 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So our new numerator is going to be 10, and our old denominator is going to remain 3. What do I do with that 1/7? Nothing. It didn't change, so just bring it down. So I have 1 over 7 times 10 over 3. When multiplying two fractions together, multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. 1 times 10 is 10. 7 times 3 is 21. So looking at this, I notice nothing simplifies. This is not improper. So my answer is going to be 10 over 21 or 10/21. And that's it.